Okay guys, today is the day. Today is the day we're taking out these soft locks. It's like about 12:30. So we're gonna time ourselves and see how long this takes. I've never done this before, but I heard it takes a while. So I'm not gonna make you guys sit through the entire process, but I'm gonna let you know how it goes. Just pulling out the ends of my hair because I can't feel that. So let me zoom in and we're just gonna get started. So that's the end of my hair for this lock. I have is a pair of skinny scissors, a pair of thick scissors, and some tweezers, and a comb is somewhere. So here's my hair. So I'm just gonna cut like everything else. I'm not even gonna argue with the rest of this. So boom. That's the lock, by the way. There's so much hair used in this style, you guys. And I have a trash bag going. So first I'm just gonna try to unravel it by just going the opposite way of what it was twisted around. So, oh yeah, this is gonna take a while. So that's my hair. And we're just gonna, like, it's like super raveled in there. Oh boy. Not a tutorial, you guys. This is me struggling. This is the first one. So there's my hair. There's that. I'm gonna cut along the way. That's my hair. Looks a little dirty there. Can y'all see that? If it would focus. Let me get my comb. Okay, so we're just gonna comb through it gently. Ow. Kinda gross, but that's the shed hair. I'm gonna do a few more and we'll get back to, maybe I'll come back and have a better technique. We'll see, guys. Okay. All right, you guys, it's been 2 hours and this is what we have so far. You can see that. So it's like the back, lower back is pretty much out. I already cut a chunk of my hair. It's like right here. I don't know how I did that. I'm trying different ways to get these out. It's just a really tedious process. But I'm going to show you this way I'm seeing so far that I like. And I'm going to show you the video. I'm going to link the video down below. Okay, so I was able to find, my hair is this little braid in here and this is the fake hair. So once you do that from the top, it's much easier than doing it from the bottom. So I'm just going to snip it. And just pull my braid out. And the rest like comes off easily. So I like this method. It's a lot quicker than what I was doing. If my locks weren't so thin, this would be so much faster, but you know, here we are. So here's the lock. It just came out super quick, right? So next you just have this top section that you can just kind of pull down and it'll come out. Whoop. There you go. So that's a method that's been working for me, and then you just unravel this. So that's been working for me so far. But it doesn't work if I can't see the back of my head, so alright. Once I see my braid clearly, I will cut the fake hair from the braid. Braid, fake hair, snip. It's scary. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, but look how quick that just came out. Boom. So So I'm hoping this speeds up the process a little bit. I would like to be done before bedtime. And I would like to wash my hair tonight if I'm not too tired. But here you guys go. Boom. But I'm not even doing the unbraiding part right now. Like, we'll save that for the end. That's gonna be no problem. Alright, so here we are. It's 3:10. So hopefully in 3 more hours, your girl got a little ways. BRB, guys. Hey guys, hey, it's a few days later. I had to give myself a second because that was rough. Oh, this is literally like, this is a 4-day wash and go, so it might be turned into a puff, but we'll see. I put in so many protective styles and I take out so many protective styles. I really thought I had this one, you know, and I didn't. So moral of the story is really, honestly, truly, faux locks might be something you really do need help with. I talked to a few other natural haired girls and we all had the same conclusion. Like, they're cute, you know, there's a lot of pros, you know, when they're on and in your head, but taking them out can be disastrous. One of the braids, if you could see that, I cut one of the braids because I'm like in mourning or something. I don't know. I'm gonna throw it away later. But like, I really like cut 4 of these out of my head. 4, guys. 4 locks of my hair. And it's not that big of a lock, but for my hair, it's a big deal. Of course, in a wash and go, you can't really like see it, but I think one was over here somewhere on top of my head. And I see that one a lot. Here it is. Like, y'all can see this little curl that's literally that big. And it's just like 2 of them. So, I mean, it's not in a terribly noticeable area, but it still makes me sad. I will say the method that she used to take them out was genius. you just can't do it by yourself. So I don't know. I literally had to cut the video short because I was about to show you guys like the aftercare process. But I was so upset. I just washed my hair. I deep conditioned it overnight, which I never do. I like literally went to sleep with the conditioner in my hair and I was like, forget it. I had to re-up on some products because it's been about a month or so. And when I put the faux locs in, I literally used the last drop of all my favorite things. So I had to re-up and I got some new products. So I kind of want to try them all. Got this Big Papa gel, which I heard is comparable to the Uncle Funky's, which you guys know is like my kryptonite. So I ran out of Uncle Funky's. This is a little bit cheaper. It's like $4 or $5 cheaper. So I was like, I'll try it. And I believe this is the Black Oak brand. I got a new deep conditioner that my friend Camille said to get the Camille Rose. I see what you did there, girl. But anyways, the Camille Rose deep conditioner. She said she loves this one. Oh, that look thick. That look real thick. So this is like a cocoa and mango butter deep conditioning mask. So I'm excited to try that. And this is not new, but I haven't tried it again in a while because I've had faux locs. But this is the Olaplex strengthening conditioner. Or I'm sorry, this is the hair perfector. But it's like a strengthening treatment. It's like a pre-poo, but like strengthens your hair. I did a whole video about this, so this is going to help a lot. I'm going to try to rate this more often. I always like forget to do this step. So I'm going to try these three together in a wash and go. And got this new baby. So yeah, I got this for Christmas, so I'm finally able to use it. This is the Dyson $400 or so hair dryer, and I'm excited, y'all. So I used it a little bit, but that wasn't a real trial. I'm like, I'll use it again. But yeah, so I can't wait to use this. It came with all these attachments and this really big cord. So I can't wait to try this out again. So yeah, stay tuned for that video, you guys. I'm in mourning. I'm a little sad, but I'm trying to like move on. It's gonna be okay. So far the little areas that I snipped haven't caused any major issues, so that's good. So I'm just gonna put my hair up in a puff, but you guys probably don't want to watch that. That's kind of, unless you do, I could do a video on it, but I'm just gonna massage my scalp from being in that bonnet. And after that, do I still feel like getting that style again? To be honest, no. Now I like really don't want to get that style again. Now at least I'm a little scarred. I think the way I've done it before, the crochet method, super safe. Like that's probably a method I would go back to before I do it this way again. I'll link that video in the cards and down below, but a little scared. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Hope you, if you do have faux locs or soft locs, you're gonna take your time, get someone to help you. That's the moral of the story. Do not try this at home. I know a lot of braiders actually have a service where they remove the locks for you, so you can just pay them a couple $4 and remove the soft locs, and they can remove their own work, which is probably what I could have done. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a like if you did. Comment down below if you've ever had this tragedy happen. And yeah, subscribe, join the family, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.